Hi everyone, I'm Thelma. Welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. Today I have for you all a different type of haul. Instead of just doing a haul from one store, I'm doing one from 3 stores, and it is Family Dollar, Walmart, and Walgreens. And I'm going to dive right in with the Family Dollar first. I picked up 2 of these little Christmas trees with the star on top, and I'm going to, I don't know if I want to leave the top on or not, but it's going to go when I decorate my mantle. Let me know, because I'm thinking about doing a decorate my mantle with me video, so just let me know. And I picked up 2 of these little tree sacks. They're $1, and there's 3 of them in it. And this is, yes, there's 3 of them in it. And they're made out of burlap, and they pull tight on the top. I'm going to do a DIY with these. You have to have, if you're going to do it with me, there's 3 in a pack, and you'll need 2 packs. And then I found some of this tissue paper. Here's what the one looks like, but they're Christmas trees, some red ones, some white with peppermints, I think, on it, and green. There's 2 of them. And then I picked out this candy cane striped bow. I was looking for another one, but I couldn't find it, so I'm going to have to keep my eyes out for that. And if I don't, then I'll just have to make one of the things I'm going to make with it. And then I found this little truck, and this is the last thing I got at Family Dollar. And the top comes off. Okay, let me set this off to the side so I don't break it. If you know me, you know how clumsy I am by now. But how are you all doing? I hope you are doing good. Okay, next I'm going to do, looks like I'm going to do Walmart. Okay, I picked up a bunch of these little signs, but I did get some cocoa. It was like $1.50. But I think cocoa goes with the Christmas, the holidays. I got this ornament, Joy. It's made out of wood. I got this one, Noel. And then I picked up this one, Santa. Santa something on the bottom of it. It says something else right under it. They're made like name tags. Both of these are. And then there's this one that says Santa and something. And then there's this one, Ho 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 Santa. And he's metal on the back. And then there's this one, Holly Jolly. It says Holly Jolly with, I think, Santa. Yes, Santa there. And that's wood. And then we have these little signs. I can't see them, but I'll pull this up here real close so you can see them. And the last of those is this one, and they're 4 little tags. Let me put these in this bag here. And I got this ginger. My husband found this. If it hadn't been for him, I wouldn't have got it. It's a gingerbread house with little, village accessories. People, oh, they're up here. So that's my very first gingerbread house. And I looked Hobby Lobby today after a doctor's appointment for gingerbread house, and they just sold out. And they got some in, but it'll be 2 or 3 more days before they put them out. And then there's this tablecloth with gingerbread on it and gingerbread houses. Nice tablecloth. And then there's this one with the red trucks and stripes. And then, let's see, the last thing from Walmart is not Christmas, but it can be given out as a gift for Christmas. And it's this electric shaver. This was only $17. And then the last is from Walgreens. And there's only a few things here. Now this is another thing. It's not for Christmas, but it's a good Christmas gift idea for the kiddos or the adults. And it is these, I think they're Digimon, or it might be Pokemon. I'm not for sure. That's a great idea to get for anybody that's into that. And my son picked that out, so I really don't know if it's Digimon or Digimon or Pokemon. But the last three items is makeup, and the lipstick is this Wet n Wild, and these are great gift ideas. Let me pop that out, and that's the shade. And that's the shade of it. And then they had this beige. They have different types of colors on their on the lid. And this one's like a creamy beige. And then I got to go with the lipstick, some lip liner. Alright, well, that's it for today's haul. If you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up. That way I'll know to make more like them. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Hit the notification bell and select all. That way you won't miss any of my videos, and you will be entered into the 2 giveaways that I have going on, which I'll put in the description about it. And you can also go to my channel and find the 2 short videos that I have about the giveaways that I have. Each one shows what's in it, and I'll tell you how to enter into the contest and all that. Well, thanks until next time. Bye-bye.